Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. There's a bottle here. It's actually very long. It's a 46-ounce premium shaker bottle. COLDEST.com. There's information. COLDEST premium shaker bottle, and then hashtag COLDEST. Bottom, made in Florida, or designed in Florida, made in China. The straw attachment. This does not open and close. I wish it did. Again, carabiner. This one, same thing. This one's complete seal. Tap. Some of their products. Here's a straw. And here's the bottle. Comparing it to my blend bottle. Look how big it is. So tall. I like that the bottom is thinner, but this is huge. There's no carabiner here. You can't open and close it like other bottles. There's a tap, lock here, push button, yeah, opens. And here's a filter, or this is the shaker. That's what it looks like inside. Alright, so this will fit in any cup holder, whatever. And it'll hold a lot too. Keeps your beverages cold. And if you're interested in the item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.